Yeah, good morning, students. A very interesting numerical. This is a cylinder of mass 2 kgs. It has four forces being acted on it. Force F1, force F2, F3, F4. The question is find the direction and magnitude of angular acceleration of the cylinder. So if you see the cylinder is being subjected to torque because of four forces. So the way to solve this numerical is first calculate the cylinder's moment of inertia, which is a standard figure. The figure shows the axis of rotation. Then calculate the respective torques, torque 1, torque 2, torque 3, torque 4, and then calculate the net resultant torque. If you see the torque is coming out to be negative, which means it's an anti-clockwise torque, and alpha is torque divided by moment of inertia. So this is your answer. So the concept is torque is equal to I alpha. That is what you have to use. Thank you very much.